Want to improve your English speaking? Let's practice daily conversations.
Good morning, Rahul.
Good morning, Priya. How are you today?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm doing great. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept very well. And you?
Not really. I woke up late.
Oh, what time did you wake up?
I woke up at 8 a.m. Usually, I wake up at 6 a.m.
That's late. Why did you wake up so late?
I was watching a movie last night.
Haha, you should sleep early.
Yes, I know. What do you do after waking up?
First, I brush my teeth. Then I drink a glass of water.
That's a good habit. Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do yoga every day.
That's amazing. I don't exercise daily.
You should start. It's good for health.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread and eggs, sometimes fruits.
I like eating poha and tea.
That sounds tasty.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Yes, I check messages and social media. That's not good. You should avoid it.
Yes, you're right. What time do you start your work?
I start at 9 a.m.
Same here.
Do you like mornings?
Yes, mornings are peaceful and fresh.
I agree. Morning is the best time to be productive.
What is your plan for today?
I have some work and then I will study.
Good. I will also study today.
Okay, Rahul. I have to go now.
All right, Priya. Have a great day.
You too, bye.
Bye.